Well, today is gonna be a busy day, so let me get started with first of all, let's check to see who is coming to the office today. Yeah. Hello? Yes, this is Digicel Customer Care Assistant. How can I help you? Oh, you can call back about 4:30. Yeah, it will be back on that time. Alright. Thank you so much.
Hello. Me have a situation when me want address. Me have a situation when me want address. You need fear. You see? You need fear.
First of all,
no. Listen to this. You need fear.
First of all, can I have your name?
What you ask my name for?
Well,
my ask yours.
Digicel
Name
Customer Care Assistant.
My ask yours.
I'm Sandra, Digicel Customer Care Assistant. How can I help you? How can I help you?
Alright, you know what?
Can I please
I'm Monica, the person who not thief. Come. Monica, the person who not thief.
Okay, how can I help you? Alright, thank you so much for coming.
Yeah, like that from unknown, no? We are keeping you now.
Alright, what is your problem?
So, when me a come down now, this man, he nearly
what is your problem? I'm not, alright, we don't deal with those situations here. You can care.
The taxi man,
you can care to
$300 $100. Tell me that right. Them people are not alright, you know.
Miss, carry your arm.
No sense.
Can you please take your situation somewhere else where someone who is financially advised can help you? Can you please go somewhere else with it? What is your problem? We deal with gadgets, we deal with technology, we deal with data, we deal with servers. What is your problem?
Alright, let me tell you what the problem. After me, they talk to Audrey. Audrey, me I talk to you know. And me I tell her.
Who is Audrey?
Why you want to know who is Audrey?
Alright, continue the statement.
Eh?
Continue the statement. I'm supposed to know who you're speaking with.
Listen this. Me I talk to Audrey, me I tell her all the details, then what and I'm coming with the thing. When me look, the credit done. Tell me how that go.
Alright, so what is your balance? What was your balance?
$50.
So you have $50 on the phone?
Yes.
Were any of your calls international?
Well, I did call 5 persons and 2 of them international.
And the other 3 was local, right?
Yes.
Alright, so what is your problem on that? You're saying the credit done too fast?
Credit done too fast.
Look at you.
Alright, so ma'am.
Them I think are alright.
Ma'am.
You see what going now, them I think are alright.
Alright, so
this country need better people in a them seat.
Alright.
Them I think are do alright.
Alright, that's true. Alright, one thing I got to say.
Pay my money, you know, pay my money nice.
Let me speak. One thing I have to say to you, can you please leave my office?
What do you mean office?
Can you please exit that door and leave? Can you please do that?
But I could have what this.
No!
You see your company it unseeable,
No.
you know. It unseeable.
Are you trying to say unreasonable?
Hello, nobody come correct me, you know, like on the thief, me, you know.
Are you trying to say unreasonable? Alright,
No,
my company is at least unreasonable, but do anyone ever say this to you?
Say what?
You're dog litters and dunks.
Do
Can you
well,
please
anyone
leave my
ever
office?
say I can bet your ear this every day on the thief, on the need for stop it.
Yes, no, we thief from elite person. Person like you with $50 credit, we don't steal your credit. You're just dumb. Can you please leave us?
You know what me start buying, you know?
No, we don't thief from poor people. I'm gonna be honest, we don't thief from poor people.
I don't me tell you no unsealable, you know?
We're unreasonable because we don't thief
No,
from
but I
poor
come
people.
correct your thief, please.
Jesus! Let me break that down for you, right? We normally use $100 credit balance to call overseas, right? If you have $50, that's grateful. You made 5 calls with $50, cause that should have can't even make the first call.
Oh, look how we shoes that I want.
So can you please leave my office?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
If I don't look good, if your don't look good, bring over your face over here 1 minute.
Let's see why. Let's see what I want to know.
Can you please bring over your face 1 minute? Let me just get some things to your body, to add some things to your body.
Don't touch me.
You're not looking good as a person right now. I think you're mentally ill, but I'm gonna just give you some.
Don't touch me now.
From the office, my air condition stopped to work because I don't understand what am I smelling. Come on, give me a second. Let me just say something to you.
What are you saying, ma'am?
What are you saying? I'm saying go and use that lotion Your face is so white and you're a black person.
Ah.
Your hair, I put some hair
Listen,
in it,
listen,
routine,
listen.
and get your hair
You
some
see, on the
texture.
floor, on the teeth, you hear?
No, miss, I'm a Digicel. I'm not a floor assistant.
I did just have this.
Yeah.
So,
Get up.
what kind of
You
human
come
being
here
is
so
this?
I call you online all the time, right? And you never know says I didn't sell this. Sorry. I said that you are the first, so you should have
And
listened.
you make me waste my time. Come over here, sir.
Sorry, wrong person.
Are you sure?
You come to the wrong person. Hush. I'm not giving you fear to go back. Lime is located at the bottom of that plaza. Can you please go and find it? You see?
So you make me waste my time.
You
Come over
see?
here, alright?
If you didn't listen to me, I said when I said you to leave the office, you would have reached Lime long time and get back your credit. Can you please leave my office? We don't deal with, I told you, Lime deal with no leave person. You, not me. Where did you sell? Can you please leave?
What type of that was this?
Can you please leave, lady? Get that ear out your
Hey, y'all, come look at
your
this.
face. Oh, can your face be white and you're a black person? Get out of your face and leave.
Come. Can't believe you girl make me waste my time.
Sorry, lady. Sorry. I'm not to leave everybody at work today.
You're not happy like it.
Sorry. I'm leaving the office right now.